Masimirembo's remarks expected to intensify the simmering succession contest within ZANU-PF, where the question of who succeeds Mnangagwa has dominated internal politics since the military-assisted removal of former President Robert Mugabe in November 2017. Sanabira Mashukubranyi Kopangwana in succession bay to Deepens. Ever subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tendra Merin Zuma and Nanyarajiti. The military intervention led by then Zimbabwe Defense Forces Commander General Constantino Chiwenga paved the way for Mnangagwa's rise to presidency after Mugabe resigned. Since then, political analysts have widely argued that an informal understanding existed among the architects of the intervention that Mnangagwa would eventually hand over power to Chiwenga after completing his constitutional tenure. However, neither Mnangagwa nor Chiwenga nor ZANU-PF itself had ever publicly confirmed that such an agreement existed. Instead, the years following the 2017 transition have been marked by persistent factional rivalry between politicians aligned to Mnangagwa and those perceived to support Chiwenga, while party leaders consistently deny the existence of factions. Repeated campaigns to extend Mnangagwa's leadership have fueled speculation that the succession issues remains unresolved. The emergence of the 2030 movement and the campaign for Constitution Amendment Number 3, which extended Mnangagwa's presidency to 2030, reinforced perceptions that influential figures within ZANU-PF are seeking to delay leadership renewal. Masimirembo's latest proposal is now opened a new front in that campaign. Critics argue that it could ultimately lay the political groundwork for another constitutional amendment informally referred to by some observers as Escape 4, which could seek to extend Mnangagwa's tenure as a state president beyond the current constitutional limit. Legally, however, Masimirembo's proposal concerns only Mnangagwa's position within ZANU-PF. Under the party's constitution, the president and first secretary is elected by party congress and can continue serving in that capacity without amending Zimbabwe's constitution. Nevertheless, the proposal carries wider political implications since independence in 1980. The ZANU-PF president and first secretary has invariably become the party's presidential candidate in the national elections. As a result, retaining Mnangagwa as party leader beyond 2030 could strengthen cause among his supporters for further constitutional changes that would enable him to seek another presidential term. Toma developments are pangwa ine. Now comment section of video of video aim to give answer to chit. Subscribe or like, chit on the bell icon.